Welcome back to Autobuzz 360, your ultimate destination for two-wheeled adrenaline. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most iconic machines in the superbike world, the new BMW S 1000RR. This isn't just a motorcycle, it's a high-performance beast sculpted for speed, precision, and pure thrill. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the aggressive design of the new S1000RR demands attention. Those aerodynamic winglets, the sharper fairings, the sleek LED lighting, every inch of this bike screams race DNA. BMW has refined the bodywork to reduce drag and improve downforce, especially at high speeds. And it's not just about looks, everything on this bike has a purpose. Underneath that aggressive shell is a heart that beats with over 200 horses. Yes, the 999 cubic centimeters inline-4 engine now produces around 205 horsepower at 13,000 RPM, with a peak torque of 113 Nm at 11,000 RPM. It's explosive, responsive, and insanely smooth. The engine has been optimized with a new cylinder head, revised intake channels, and titanium valves, all contributing to better performance across the rev range. BMW has also refined their ShiftCam technology, a variable valve timing system that allows for both low-end torque and high-end power. Whether you're cruising through tight corners or pushing it on a straight, the power delivery is always where you need it to be. But let's talk about handling, because this is where the new S1000RR sets itself apart. The bike's geometry has been tweaked, the frame is lighter and stiffer, and the swing arm is now repositioned for better traction. Combined with the dynamic damping control and electronically adjustable suspension, this superbike carves corners with laser precision. One of the standout updates is the new steering head angle and longer wheelbase. It may sound technical, but the result is more stability at high speeds and better feel when tipping into a turn. It's a machine built for the racetrack but perfectly manageable on real-world roads if you dare to unleash it. Braking, as you'd expect, is top tier. Dual 320mm discs up front with 4-piston calipers, and a single disc at the rear. And of course, BMW's race-grade ABS Pro is on board, giving you confident braking performance even while leaned over. It's not just safe, it's surgical. Now let's shift gears and talk tech, because the S1000RR is practically a superbike with a brain. The 6.5-inch TFT display is crisp, colorful, and fully customizable. Navigation, ride modes, lean angle data, lap timer, it's all there. You can easily switch between rain, road, dynamic, and race modes, and if you go for the M package, you unlock Race Pro modes that allow deeper control over throttle response, engine braking, traction control, and wheelie control. Yes, wheelie control. That's how serious this bike gets. And speaking of serious, the launch control system is wild. If you ever get to experience full throttle acceleration with launch control activated, be ready, it's the kind of force that glues your soul to the back of the bike. BMW has also given attention to the ergonomics. The tank shape, seat cushioning, foot peg position, everything feels track-ready but still surprisingly comfortable. Whether you're tucked in on a straight or hanging off in a curve, it feels natural and confidence-inspiring. The exhaust system has been redesigned to lighter, smaller, and it sounds absolutely ferocious. It growls low at idle, snarls under throttle, and screams when you hit the red line. It's music for petrol heads. If you go for the M package, you're looking at even more goodies: carbon fiber wheels, lighter battery, adjustable swing arm pivot, and that stunning M livery. It's not just eye candy, it's performance enhancing in every way. Let's not forget the electronic aids, dynamic traction control, engine brake control, slide control, and hill start assist. Every rider aid is designed to make you faster, safer, and more in control. This isn't about taking the rider out of the equation, it's about amplifying your skill with cutting-edge tech. So, who is the new BMW S1000RR for? It's for the rider who wants the ultimate edge, whether on the track or on the twisties. It's not just another superbike, it's a surgical tool built for speed, agility, and domination. At its core, it's a race machine made street legal. Every detail on the new RR is there for a reason: weight reduction, improved aerodynamics, smarter electronics, and more responsive handling. It's not just an evolution, it's a revolution in superbike engineering. If you're even remotely passionate about motorcycles, this machine deserves a spot on your dream list. But if you're lucky enough to own one, then every ride is the dream. That's it for today's deep dive on the new BMW S 1000RR. If you enjoyed the video, smash the like button, subscribe to Autobuzz 360 for more Superbike content, and let us know in the comments, what would you ride this beast for? Track days, canyon carving, or just to own the streets? Until next time, ride safe, ride smart, and keep the throttle pinned.